What's up? What's up? What's up? If you've been watching the video, you've seen and know that we mentioned that we're doing a sim install. We're excited. SimHQ, Porto, this is my dog. He's gonna give us a rundown real quick on what we're getting here today, and also he's gonna do the install because we're not doing it. So, what you got, buddy?
Oh man, so pretty much we are SimHQ are big partners with SimMagic, so we actually have all their goodies pretty much going on between the P1000 pedals, the TVRS Handbrake, DS8X shifter, and the we did the Mini, the Alpha Mini.
Yeah, the Alpha. You guys just released a new one too, right?
Yeah, pre-release, but yeah, the new release is gonna be.
I bought this one and they posted it. I was like, oh, that's really cool.
You bought it and we released a new one. No, but the new one's pretty much the only difference is gonna be it's gonna have the digital screen for like road racing people.
Okay.
Drop in like
so it has like its own display and everything.
Yeah, but these pretty much
crazy.
you run on the steering wheel itself.
Oh,
so,
okay.
Kind of give and take. I mean, drifting. Are you looking down?
Not really.
Exactly.
Look at everything else that's going on. So yeah, we're gonna get to the install. We're gonna probably do a little quick time lapse. Portal's gonna set everything up. We got a frame, we have PC on the way, we got a curve monitor on the way. Really excited. We are excited to be doing a collaborative thing here. It's pretty cool. Good marketing for both companies. We're super excited, and we have so much more things to tell you. But we're gonna get this thing going. Keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Let's get it. All right, so we're back, day 69 of Porto installing this simulator from SimHQ. My dog's been here for 69 whole days. So if you guys, I hope all of you guys have smashed the like and subscribe button because, you know, even in his time frame of doing all this, he still had time to bring us a seat from Drift HQ, which is also one of his personal seats. And my boy Dan from Swerve hooked us up with this super sick steering wheel for the sim. They're actually going to be starting to make their own steering wheels and whatnot. Swerve US. They're pretty popular online. Stancy boys, Stance guys, really clean cars. Dan's car is beautiful. Check them out on Instagram. I'm going to put his link in the description in case you guys want to follow his website. They make really good merch too. Really cool guy. Thank you, Dan. I love it. It's going to be abused and used by everybody around here. We'll get Porto the first rip.
Big 2005 dubs.
Midnight Club.
You guys finished. You guys finished. You gotta put that in the background playing.
No, I'll get copyright.
Oh, you can put like how many seconds can you put before you get copyright?
A few.
We're trying to get our watch hours up so we can get monetized.
Yeah.
What you got there, bud?
Woo. We don't have the nice pedal with the back heel plate on there. You got all the bushings, so you could figure out what gym day feels like on a clutch pedal and a brake pedal.
So twin disc, single disc?
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah. Oh, it can get stiff. Like it can get to the point that like you're gonna get a good workout.
So,
There you go.
got a leg workout while we're here at the office.
The good thing is, look,
Yeah, you need it.
Damn, and their floor mount. Those are sick.
yeah. I went for the floor mount because it gives you a more real feel because of the floating for like your pedals, you use pedal box. So
Yeah.
I was like, this is gonna be the best way. And then they're already full hydraulic.
I actually got to put fluid in it?
Yeah, it actually runs exactly like a car.
Oh, that's crazy.
So.
That's actually pretty nuts.
It's like nicer than your car.
The one I have.
Damn.
Damn, bro. That's crazy, yo.
Yo, you should put this in your car.
No, chill, bro. The one my car has is not cool.
Yeah, so this would be pretty much just fluid based in here.
It's like a billet cut.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a billet freaking
So, full fluid already.
It already has fluid?
Yeah, it already comes pre-filled.
Damn.
And then
Get your money's worth out of this stuff, guys. Link in
Between here.
description, SimHQ.
There you
Check
go.
them out.
Yeah. And then on here, pretty much you get to adjust over. So like for pedal feel, depending on how you feel it.
Yeah, so the one in my house, the sim in my house uses something like this. I just changed the spring.
Yeah, so this is bushings
Yeah.
for it, and then spring for the gas pedal, clutch pedal, and then gas pedal also as an option for it.
So what's like a happy medium what it comes with?
That one's good. I usually, if you're gonna go for a little softer feel, the
Like a squishy
black
feel?
ones, yeah, the gray ones, we do half gray, half black for like a softer feel. And then they have solids too. So like if you want triple pedal, like you gotta hit the brakes, like you gotta want.
That's how it is on my house. Like at first, before I changed the spring, like I would be able to like barely push it. Like my leg is shaking when I'm pushing it.
Yeah,
It was
yeah.
so hard.
And then this one pretty much, depending on how you want to set it up, on this side you can actually loosen the bolts, so you can pivot the pedal
Oh, okay.
for however you want, better suit. And then you also have adjustments on there for the raise and lower the pedals.
Small people. Small feet people.
He said it, I did.
I'm gonna speedball that out.
Keep
But,
it in, keep it in.
Keep it PG.
People want to know.
Link in bio.
Yeah, look at my.
Did I just break it? No.
No,
Dude,
no,
what are you doing?
I don't know. I touched it and it like fell apart. Look.
yeah, they're stacked.
Oh.
So this is a gas pedal, so you can kind of feel.
That's crazy. So you can replicate like
Yeah.
brake booster or non-brake booster car.
Pretty much, yeah, yeah. Legit as it comes. If you leave it on this one, it's pretty stiff. Like it's gonna be pretty stiff. I mean, you can.
No.
Yeah, yeah. Do it.
We don't want that.
Yeah, yeah. Here, go for it. Just with your hands, so you can feel.
Nah.
Yeah.
Loose.
Looser.
Loose. I want to have a brake pedal feel. I want to like squish left foot brake.
Would you have brake booster delete in your car?
Yeah, I run remote masters and stuff.
Oh yeah, so yeah.
Yeah, but what about these other people? They don't want to be, you know.
You learn.
Yeah, that's true. That's what it's for.
That people can go up here, just
No
drive your
offense
car.
to whoever watches this video and comes and drives it.
Yeah, they go hit the brakes and like the car doesn't stop, it just rolls out.
We're gonna get kicked out of every server.
Yeah, just straight T-bone.
Banned.
Don't worry, we control half the servers
I got
now.
kicked off a server the other night for driving too aggressive.
Was it a SimHQ server?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was one. It was
Yeah.
on. It was on Shadow Valley, and they were like, "Oh, third gear only, 410 gear, no like waiting in the front of the pits." I was like, "What is this?"
Yeah, the ACS guys, they stay up on those servers, so they watch religiously. Those
Nah,
servers.
and I was downshifting in a corner into second when I was chasing someone, and then upshifting into third to like keep, you know, the fluidity through it. And I got kicked for being in second, so I jumped back in. I opened the chat. I was like, "Yo, I was downshifting so I could stay on your door, go faster." And then they left me in that.
Wiping his balls all over it.
You got a lot of balls in that seat.
Wait, puppy. Wait, what? You sleep
Here, put that on there for.
All right, we're on.
There you go. So then, I just want you to slide the slider back just to see where you're gonna be at.
Right now, this is way too close.
All right.
Yeah, right there is it.
Okay. Hit the brakes. Can you hit the brakes?
Yeah.
Look at that leg shaking.
Yo, yo. Yo, you
That's what happens when you crash a lot of race cars,
that
bro.
Gym.
Yeah, right.
Clutch your gas good. Hit the brakes again.
That shit's tough.
Yo, that shit's not breaking.
Yeah, but that
Yeah,
shit's
we gotta
tough.
change it out. We'll change it out. We'll make it a little softer.
Listen, I've had 8 accidents in my life, alright? And none of them were happy. Motorsports accidents suck. Don't crash race cars, man. I'll tell you, they break your body. Grogu thinks the pedals are really nice too.
It tastes good.
Media guy testing Sim Volume 1.
You can both sides of it a little more.
Yeah.
I think just the brake pedal is so stiff that it makes it harder for you to press.
Feel good, Ryan?
Yeah.
Feel like a race car driver?
But it feels like you're actually sitting. So this is the what I was telling you about.
More stickers.
More stickers. More stickers.
Are they all the same?
Kind of. They have a couple of different changes.
That's a lot of the same stickers.
So, this is the DS8X. So this is cool because you have your H pattern,
That's one that can go
Right.
sequential too, right?
and then you flip sequential.
Yeah, that's sick.
H pattern.
SimMagic. Seen it here first. Well, not really, but. This is the sticker I'm putting on the seat. We gotta get smaller bolts for the sign.
And then you don't have any screws. You have some screws, right? Yeah, on the table.
Somewhere.
On the table right there. Yeah. The handbrake. And this is why I was telling you not to cheap out in the handbrake, and the more stickers for you.
Brother.
It's like
This
200 stickers.
This is worth every bit of the purchase. This is all this. All the stickers. Man, if I had my Mustang that I used to have.
Man, if we were at the old shop,
It would be on every
I
wall.
would have filled up the fender with these stickers.
Oh my god. That must be
put that on your trailer.
Bro,
dude.
Higa bought it.
Yeah.
Higa
Hyperfast and everything. Or Hyperdrive.
And he won a Hyperdrive.
So
Damn,
this
thing.
is why I say don't cheap out in the handbrake, because this one has a reservoir, so it's exactly like your car. Also has fluid.
That thing
So
looks
pull that one.
Crazy. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Yeah. So it's not a spring one, it's actually
Like
Master.
hydraulic for real.
It's like real hydro.
Damn, let me see. You can hurt somebody with this motherfucker.
Oh yeah.
This one needs fluid too.
Yeah. Also has fluid, and also you get a whole bunch of bushes.
Great.
Change.
Does it have fluid in it?
Yeah, it has fluid in it, so try not to turn it all the way around. As I was watching you turn it around, I'm like, no.
Damn, that thing is nuts.
Feel better?
Yeah, I farted moved it with my hand. I couldn't do that before. Drop the screw.
There it is. Mario Party.
Rave.
Mario Kart.
When you had it down your eye.
that. That's orange.
Yeah, that's pretty sick. It's hard to
That
tell in
one's
here,
nice.
Fire. Take a picture. So here we have our SimHQ Alpha SimMagic rig. It looks really cool. We're not finished, so this vlog will continue to day 70 something. To get this going, we were waiting for a PC, curved monitor, then set it all up and fire it up, mount the SimHQ sign, and get to simming.
Man,
Dead.
dead.
Day number 75.
I just said the same thing.
Hey.
Day 73.
It's pretty much set up. Need 2 bolts for the handbrake to set up. I gotta bring the carpet over so we can make it pretty.
Oh yeah, we gotta put the little light bar.
And then there's missing the stuff that he has to supply. Just the monitor and the computer.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, no comment. Day 79 of the simulator installed. We got a PC now.
Oh no, pause now. Esto come into frame. He grew a beard.
I think like 2 clips in this video. I had facial hair.
Willie had.
Oh, we're getting farther on here. Porto's not here today. He's busy with Drift HQ
You have to
stuff.
open it.
Why?
So, take all this out.
Oh yeah. Well, going back. Here you go. Here you go, Shiesty. Yeah.
Oh, you gotta open it.
Yeah, we're gonna go over here while he does that. Where's the thing for this?
What thing?
This one. Broke. Wait, we have a living room?
Y'all buying TVs?
Yeah, well,
You
this is
hate
a
the thing?
Samsung G49 curved, and we're probably gonna leave it in the box for now because there's a lot of going on in there. But we got Shiesty Summer over there, but we're gonna clap our hands, and all this is gonna be installed.
Dom has got a NOS fogger system, a T4 turbo.
She got
It's got a
RTX in
Motec 1050. It's got direct nitrous port injection.
Now what?
Not a bad way to spend that. We
All
got an
right,
ASRock motherboard. We got an Intel i9 processor. We got a GTX GeForce RTX. We got a Northbridge upgraded.
Tempered glass. We got that. All right, we're good. That's it. And then now you can just transition it, and when Porto comes, it'll be all set up.
Thoughts, Grogu?
Have you ever built a computer?
Do you think the specs on the computer will be good enough, Grogu?
We got an unboxing video today.
Hey, Twin.
My man,
Twin, give me a little flag, Twin.
my man Raekwon grabbed this from behind the Walmart. We about to unbox this thing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Food classic certified. Gonna get a down shot, man.
Ooh, that's
Oh,
the neck.
damn.
Yeah, this is bigger than the one we have at home.
That's big.
Holy shit.
Jesus. This thing looks like a bathtub or like a sink.
Man, I love the Best Buy credit card. It's the best thing you can get. I'll show you.
Alright.
Yeah.
Is that RGB?
Yeah, it should light up.
We're gonna be calling the aliens.
Yeah, shout out to the Best Buy credit card and John Smith in New Mexico. I appreciate this purchase.